and welcome to the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying going back through from the start, from me when it's first turned up. I've done some work off camera because it was a lot of back and forth, and I didn't think it would turn out very good. So, further ado, sorting out this out. So what I've done is I've made a bracket for the water, and what I've done is I've drilled all holes that side and that side so we can fiberglass the lid to it. I've made a load of marks. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to fiberglass that lid to the frame. So here we go. For fiberglassing this now, and I've got a couple of G-clamps on it. And I've got marks. You can see my marks on there. What I'm hoping to do is get the resin in them holes and in there, and hopefully it bonds and it stays and it doesn't peel apart. It's going to take a while because I have to do a little mix, put it in there, wait for it to go off, do another little mix, so it's all the way down. Well, I'll do until there, and I'll do the same the other side, and then we'll put you back on and see how far we've come. We've fiberglassed to here so far on this one side, and it's getting a bit late, so we might have to leave this now for today and then do another bit tomorrow. So it's going to be a couple of days of this, I think. Get off it now and take these clamps off and see if it's going to hold. Or is it just all a waste of time? Fingers crossed, people. Come on, get off. I think it's worked. By Joe, I think I've done it. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's worked. Tidy. Obviously we gotta do that bit yet. So not any more tonight, but we'll let that be now, and we'll do some more tomorrow. Right, we've fiberglassed it all in. Just waiting for this bottom corner. That side's all done, and then we can try it on the chassis. Right, she's dry, and you can see, I don't know if you can see the holes that I drilled through there. Same on this side. And now, hopefully you can see it's got a curve in it. Only that slight curve, that's all we needed. So we'll put him back on the car now and see what it looks like. Yeah, look at that. We've got a bit of fine tuning to do with that. It now fits the contour of the body. Let's go weird. Oh, and this side's a lot better. Still gotta bring this up, sort that out, bring it to the roof line, because the roof line's got a little curve in it as well. Shave these down, but I am really happy with that. Right, so what we'll do now is we'll go around everything, tidy it all up a bit more, and I'm going to leave some fiberglassing for now because I've done quite a bit of that. Just make sure this can go up and down, and it's coming along. I've had about I have about 4 full days in this bloody thing now. But it is what it is. I mean, we're adjusting it, so it's coming out really good. So I'll just do a couple of little things off. I can't find my holder that I had you guys on my head. I don't know where it's gone. I'll try and find it again, see where it's gone, and then put it on my head and bring you along for the ride. So see if I can find that. If not, I'll be just do some fine tuning, and then I'll come back. Right, don't you just hate that? You solve one problem and then you make another problem for yourself. I'm gonna have to sort this engine cover out totally off camera, because it's so time consuming. And what's happening is they're in there great, but because this bit is not done properly and it's way too low, when you tip it up it's hitting against there, so it all has to be, see it knocking on there like. So they all clear nice, and that one clears nice. Just that bloody thing in the middle, that's got to be cut out and redone, and I spend so much time on it at the moment I need a break from it because I'm just going to go mad. So yeah, so we'll stay away from that now. I'm sweating my balls off. Let's see what's next. I'm not sure. I still got to build a subframe for the front, because down in here, I don't know if it's too dark, I got to build a subframe off here to the end and up. So we got to build a wheel well in there, and we need the structure for the lights to go on. So we're going to see how much metal stock I got, and if we got enough, we'll I think we'll make them next. Alright, here we go. I've just got off the phone to a nice gentleman called Jed, and some good news for the channel, and wasn't really expecting it, to be honest with you. So I'm going to be collaborating with Pulver Kit Cars, which is blown my mind, to be honest with you, and thank them for even contacting me and asking me to do anything with them, to be honest. So there will be a video coming out about them. Don't really take the surprise away too much and give too many details away, but yeah, it's crazy, man. So yeah, kind of blown away, as you can see, which I'm very honoured for Pulver themselves to even want me to do anything for them, never mind even talking to me. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm shocked. Anyway, thanks for Jared in Pulver. We'll get back to a bit more in depth when I get some. They're going to send me like a promotional video to put onto the channel and some other goodies. So I won't tell you any more about that. But as we're going to make now the little subframe that goes in here. That's what's next. So here we go. Front and back bit tacked in there at the moment. We got to make another piece to come across here, and then we can make some bits that come up for the lights to go on. Inside the wheel well, as you can see, and we're trying to sort out a frame which is going to hold the lights. So we're going to have that up there, and then another strip going across the top, so we can build our frame in there. The pop-up lights to go on as well. So it's slow work, tedious, but we're getting it. We got some sort of solid frame in there now, tacked up, ready. So I got the light there. I'm gonna try and see how it's gonna hang down, and then probably make some brackets on that to hopefully it'll swing in and out nice. We're only tacking it all up for now, just get it perfect, and then weld it up after that. So yeah, getting there. Not bad, is it? Not bad. It's a bit crude at the moment. I just got it tacked in place, and that's just stuck on with a bit of tape for a laugh. But that gives you what it's going to look like. Not bad, is it? I'm beat. As you can see, I just had a bit of tape on there and I took it off. I've had a full day here now, and we'll have to. I'm gonna have a rest now, nice shower, something to eat, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I got a lot of welding to do. So let me just give you a quick look at this in here, how it all works. Now I've set these up, so when you undo the bolts, right, this will slide out that way, and you can slide it back in if it ever needs servicing. So I got to weld all that up, spray paint it and all that lot. I'm on call today as well, so I'm an emergency service, so I don't want to be doing too much today, because you bet I'll get stuck into it and the phone will go and I'll have to go to an emergency. But for the Pova collaboration, well, we got a video. I thought I'll let you watch the video, and then we'll catch you in the next video. So I hope you enjoy this little clip, and here's the future for me and Pova Designs. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the clip.